BenEttedgui out here with another tutorial. Let's get it. Today we're gonna be making a Detroit type beat. I'm gonna be showing you step by step how it's done. Let's get it. So you're going to start off with like a string. Something to set the tone. And then maybe a little space bell. This is like a pad. Something to like layer with the string. Another little space bell. And then of course, gotta have this. A real like Detroit type melody. Something to really carry everything. Of course you got the 808.